Be careful when you want to get cash from an ATM in Vietnam. The daily cash withdrawal limit for tourists is 2 million dong, which is only around $80. Every ATM is now also charging a different fee between $2 to $5 per transaction. Here we used an ATM machine of the Vietcom Bank that is supposed to charge a maximum of 1,000 dong, but that seems to be a lie. The transaction limit here is also 2 million dong. Now after a successful transaction you will see this. The fee of this bank is suddenly not 1,000 dong anymore, but now you can't cancel the transaction anymore. This makes it impossible to check the ATM fees before using them. The best way to get cash in Vietnam is to bring foreign cash and go to exchange offices or gold shops. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.